Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a layered disconnected cut. So the very first thing I'm doing is layering the right side right here. You can see I've got the top sectioned away. That's going to be the disconnected part. So establishing the layering on the undercut is the first thing I'm going to do on this haircut right here. You can see I'm just wrapping up the right side. Once I've completed the right side, then I will also work my way to the right back. So the right side pretty much is anything that's in front of the ear. The right back is going to be anything behind the ear to the center back. And then of course, once you pass the center back, you're now on the left side. So I'm going through right now establishing the undercut layering part of the right side. Alright, so now that I've completed the layering on the right side, you can see I am dropping down the top. And I'm basically going through and using that top kind of as my guide to determine the layering for the back. See, because there's going to be no disconnection in the back, just disconnection on the right side. See, now I've come down that right side and it flows to the back. There's only one section that's disconnected, and that's the top with the right side. Everywhere else, it's connected. So, working my way from the left side to the center back as far as the layering, and then once we've completed the upper half, you can see I'm on the upper half of the sides and back, then we're going to address the lower half of the sides and back. So now that the upper half of the sides and back is all done, you can see I am now doing the lower half of the back. So I'm just taking sections, working my way up, and basically layering, taking horizontal sections. You can layer taking vertical sections, you can layer taking horizontal sections. I like to typically take sections when layering vertical sections, then I cross-check horizontally, but sometimes I cut horizontal sections as well. So I'm going to cut the layering on the lower half of the back, and then once I've completed that, I will go ahead and chip in, cut in the desired outline in the back. Alright, so now that the layering is complete, you can see I'm taking the point of my scissors and just chipping in the desired outline. I like to take the point of my scissors because it softens the outline a little bit but still makes a nice precision line versus just taking the scissors and whacking the hair. You can do that if you want, but I like to sketch in the outline that I want by just chipping in using the points of my scissors. Alright, so now it is time to cut the top, the overhang part. You can see I'm just combing it down and I'm establishing the outline, the desired outline that we want on the sides. So as this hair hangs down, we got to determine what length it's going to lay down at, and that's exactly what I'm doing right here. Alright, we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, hey, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel either. And as always, thank you again for watching.